Last month, I did an experiment. Emails, posts, content calendar, invoices. I did everything through AI. And I had to tell you honestly what happened. And spoiler alert, some things were so good that I genuinely don't want to get back manually. I really want AI to help me. Also, again, this is not some AI appreciation video. This is an experiment with my real business and real client. So, अगर तुम freelancer, content creator slash founder कोई भी हो जो बहुत सारा चीजों के साथ स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो, this video is for you. So hi everyone, I'm Kriti Agarwal. If someone is new here, I run a marketing agency. I've graduated from IIT and it's been 6 years I'm doing all from myself, from my home setup. I have a team with me. I mostly talk about LinkedIn growth, content strategy, social media on this channel. Also, I created 2 videos on ChatGPT and Claude already, even I think on Perplexity. So on me first I got this idea that anything that can be done with AI should not be done manually, and I listed all the stuff I can do and started, giving it to AI. And what I found was quite interesting. You can find in this video. So I just prospect the G2C mid-sized brand, and usually to give them a proposal, it would took me 3 days. Literally, if I had a call with a prospect on Monday, I would able to give them Thursday. But with the help of AI, all the research and everything, I put it in my context, in prompt, in the Claude, and tell them of the problems they are solving, the gaps they have, the competitors doing good, the budget, framework, everything I put as a prompt and just generated a very good proposal through it. And I able to send that same day, and proposal quality was very good. So this saved me 3 days of my time, and I can take now more calls, because previously when I used to take calls, I will be sending proposals after 3 days. So it don't make any sense to take calls much more regularly when I'm not able to deliver even proposals to them. So this was something new for me, and this was something that was taken off from my table. Next is LinkedIn content planning, and this is, I'm really not joking. I literally, whatever I literally get a thought, and I see a movie, I go out, whenever there is a thought, I just put into ChatGPT as a prompt. I just write a LinkedIn post in my tone, because now ChatGPT gets my tone, like how is it analyzing all the content till yet. And I just give the prompt that this is the stuff, and just write a LinkedIn post on it, make sure that it gets viral or get good saves, or it reaches to directly my target audience, and it gives me a very good post. So what I do, I put that in my ideas tab, and then there my team takes over. They write it manually and they post it. But the thing is, they have the structured context of what I'm trying to say. They have the topic, they have the context, so they can write manually in like 15 minutes. Before, it was doing everything and taking much more time. So I have literally prepared next week's calendar, given all the context to my team, and now they will update everything by tomorrow. And on Monday morning, first thing I will do is upload those posts, and we are set for the whole week. So my LinkedIn is like sorted. Next genuinely surprised me is client content strategy, because previously I used to do a lot of research, I used to do competitive analysis, and just a lot of my time goes. And I honestly was not able to give so much time to my clients' work, because it was so much of work. So most of the work my team was doing. But now with AI, like, it has given me so much time that I also now able to take out my clients, and also now they are all high end. Before I was used to work with low paying clients, so anyway it was more about execution. But now, first of all, they're high ticket, so I have to put in the content strategy and time for that. And with AI, I'm able to build a content strategy for them, So yeah, I think in that area also AI has really helped me. Now the next thing I want to talk is nobody to talk about is so last week what happened, a client asked me for something. I researched on Claude about the competitor, and I sent them directly without checking it. And my client was like, Kriti, this is 6 months old data, I need something relevant. And this is the honest mistake, and a lot of people what do, they just totally depend on AI blindly, and they just generate something from it and send to the clients. Don't do it. That was the honest mistake, but don't repeat it. So please check and verify if what you wanting, it has to be relevant, it has to be up to the mark with the numbers, everything you need to check. And honestly, they told me that this is Claude generated, we can see there is no personal touch, and I can feel it, because I have my own team, I have my own content team, and I know if they give me AI responses, AI generated content, and not written manually, I'll be pissed off. So that was an honest mistake. I told him very politely that this is the first and last mistake. I'll never repeat it, and I'll make sure that I take it personally and look it personally. And now I make sure that I do this all the time. Whatever I've generated from AI, I go through it personally and do the edits and see, put my context and brain into it, which clients have hired me for, and then only, give to them. So let's talk about numbers. So previously 6 hours took me in the research, in the strategy, in the planning, and now it's 2.5 hours. So almost 58% of my time is saved, which I can obviously use in writing better content for myself or researching for my clients or just planning more what we can do for them, basically. Even if I see the revenue perspective, ROI is insane because if I'm able to handle 5 to 7 clients before, I can do 10 to 15 now. If I'm able to take new calls like twice a week, I can do 4 or 5 calls a week, new calls. So I think that way, because my time has opened up so many possibilities, my ROI has doubled, and I can genuinely see with AI it is because the execution, the research, a lot of time has been saved on my part. So if you're a freelancer, I think in content matching, in research and proposals, you can totally give AI the context and can generate and this sending the proposals to the prospect. So yeah, that's it. I don't run my business. The entire workflow, everything is run by me, and I am at the points of verifying everything in my team. But I make sure that a lot of my plate, the unnecessary work, the unnecessary time that was going here and there, I need to give it to AI. So it has been very, very good, So yeah, that's it for the videos. I have put in the I button. I've already created a lot of content on the specific AI platforms. You can go and